Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at a project that we are really excited about, and that is the DxSale Network and the Sale token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinGecko, and we're trying to see what the DxSale network is all about. So scrolling down till the end, we do see that DxSale is a decentralized cross-chain token management platform as a service. DxSale DAO allows for seamless onboarding of chains to provide tools to facilitate and grow out a chain's ecosystem. So basically, DxSale is a platform that's completely decentralized that allows people to do a public pre-sale for their coins. So it's kind of like a launch pad where you launch your coin. Now taking a look at where this coin is available. So we do see right now that is available on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So it's still considered as a risky project, but keep in mind that some of the coins that have actually went absolutely parabolic started from DxSale. One example of that is SafeMoon. SafeMoon started on DxSale Network. They launched it there, and now you know how the price of SafeMoon went absolutely parabolic. So with that being said, this project, we still believe it's extremely undervalued at the moment, and you can use that DxSale platform to find a lot of hidden gems. And stay tuned with us. We're gonna give you some of our picks on that platform once we do see a project that has potential coming up. So now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the tokenomics for this project. So scrolling up, we do see right now that the market cap is at 18 million. So it's still very low for the amount of value that it's offering, you know. And also we do see the trading volume of $300,000 in the last 24 hours. The price of the token right now is sitting at 0.68 US dollars, and we do see also the circulating supply of 26 million and the maximum supply of 89 million tokens. So then let's also take a look at the chart and take a look at the all-time lows and the all-time highs for this project. So we do see that the all-time highs was recently, so less than a day ago, at just over 70 cents. And also the all-time lows was 9 months ago on October 24th, and that was just under 1 cent at 0.008 cents. So right now we're 3% from the all-time highs, and we're also 7,800% up from the all-time lows, which was 9 months ago. And also taking a look at the chart right now, we do see that it's kind of starting to go parabolic, and maybe now is not the perfect time to get in. But like I said, this project is gonna rise. So it doesn't really matter at what stage you enter, because this is going to go up. It's going to go up no matter what happens. So getting in even at this peak right now can be a good thing if you decide to invest in this coin for the long term and keep it. So that's what we're doing. Actually, we went in a long time ago, not at this price. When we went in, it was more like I think around 30 cents, so let's say half of this price right now. So we're already up 100%, but we're not gonna sell. We're gonna just keep holding it because we think this can go absolutely parabolic. This is just the beginning. This is gonna go up much higher, especially given the market cap that it has right now of just 18 million. The potential for this to do a 10x in the future is absolutely there. So it's absolutely real, And even if you get in right now at this price, it's still a good deal given that you hold it for some time. So now let's go ahead and dive more deeply into this coin and see what it is all about, and take a look at their website, what features they offer, and how you can use this platform. So their website is DxSale.network. You can check it out. So let's go ahead quickly and take a look at their website. So DxSale, and then they tell you can buy it, but then you just click on enter app. So we want to go to their app, and this is the main dashboard for DxSale Network. So what do they have? So they have actually kind of two important features here on the left menu bar. So you can see DX Lock and DxSale and DX Mint. So that's actually three. So for DX Launch, it is a dashboard that people can use to start a pre-sale for their coin. So actually there is two things. If a development team, they decide to launch on this platform, because first of all, this platform, there's a lot of people on this platform and they use it. They want to buy in at a pre-sale rate. So the rate that they can buy in is at a lower price, and then they're pretty much guaranteed to make a profit just because they're getting in early. So with the dashboard, what you can see is you can see all the projects that have done a pre-sale, and the pre-sales that are live and the pre-sales that are pending. So right now you can see that this coin, Monkey Coin, Macro Coin, they're all pending start. And this one, for example, Monster Doge, it has already completed its pre-sale. So for the pre-sale, you can see the amount they're asking for. So the amounts that they ask for are in BNB. So for example, here they're asking for 30 BNB, and the minimum contribution that a person can make is 0.2 BNB, and the maximum contribution is 2 BNB. So any person at a time, any wallet, they can only buy kind of 2 BNB at a time. And also they have a soft cap, which means that the soft cap is like the minimum amount that can make this launch successful. So for example, this coin, they're asking for 20 BNB. So if the time for the sale ends and they have raised 20 BNB, then the sale will be successful. But you can raise more than the soft cap. You can raise a maximum of 30. So 30 would be the hard cap. And also you can just click here if you want to load more coins, and you can see them. If you want to filter on it, you can filter on the status here. Not sure why it's not available for me, but usually you can click on the success. Okay, so now it's showing success. It will show you all the coins that were actually where the sale was successful for these coins, and then you can check it out. You can see which ones are good. And just be aware that there is a lot of scams. A lot of these coins are actually scams, and they will just gonna rug pull as soon as it's done. So you will definitely need to do extra research when deciding to go into this coin, if you decide at all. So for example, let's take a look at this coin, the Warcraft coin. They've raised 400 BNB, so that's a huge amount of money. You can click on to find details and then confirm. Now here you can see a bunch of information on this coin. So Warcraft token serve as a launchpad, blah blah blah. You can see the address for the pre-sale, the token address, and also on the top here you can have the social media links for this project. So if you want to check out their website, you can do so. So for Warcraft, for example, this is the Warcraft coin, and this is their website if we want to take a look into it, or other social media platforms. You can also check that out all here. Here you have some warnings about the coin. So for example, this one gives you a token dump warning. So it's telling you that there are too many tokens are held outside this sale, make sure these tokens are burned, locked, or so for this you have to be really careful, guys, with buying these coins. I wouldn't recommend that you do that unless you really know what you're doing. So one thing here is you can see some information about the coin. You can see the total supply, the tokens that are up for sale, the tokens that are gonna go into liquidity once the pre-sale has ended. You can see the start time, the end time, and the percentage of the liquidity. And then once you buy, you're gonna buy at a pre-sale rate. So it should be a reduced rate. The price should be lower. However, once the token is released to the public, it's gonna be listed on PancakeSwap, you're gonna get a better deal, a better rate. So if you wanna sell it, you can sell it and make money. Make sure also to check the comments. Sometimes people tell you if this is a scam or not. And this is just one example of what they can do. So actually, once the sale is done, let's say a team makes a sale on this coin, and that's one part of it, is that the development teams, they are launching on this coin. But for us normal people, we can just decide to buy the tokens. So if you decided that you wanted to participate in any coin, you can just go back and into the dashboard, and once a pre-sale starts, then you should be able to connect to your wallet and you can use some BNB to buy that coin. And once the sale is done, the coins are going to be distributed into your wallet only if the launch is successful. So if the launch is not successful, for example, this coin, low-key coin, they're asking for 20 BNB. Let's say the pre-sale ends, but there was only 10 BNB that was raised. So what happens then is that all these BNBs, they're gonna be refunded to the people who bought in. So you're not gonna lose your money with this platform because everything is decentralized. And the development teams, what they can do later on is once they do the pre-sale, they can lock the liquidity using this DX lock. So they can lock their tokens and they can lock it for a specific period of time. So it's usually people lock their coins for anywhere from 6 months to 5 years. And sometimes they have a kind of the lock gets removed gradually. So they can, let's say after 6 months, they can get access to a percentage of their funds, and then the total liquidity would be released after 5 years. So why do they need to lock their tokens? Is basically just to prevent, to give more confidence to the people, to tell them that, you know what, this liquidity is not going to be removed instantly. And because if the liquidity is not locked, then the developers, they can just pull out all their money and do a rug pull on you, and then you're going to be left with useless tokens because there is no liquidity that you can trade against. So I know that I've talked a lot about this platform, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview about this. You can also launch your own coins here. If you want to launch a coin, you can do a standard sale. However, I don't recommend that. Usually the coins that became successful are custom contracts that has some specific feature behind it, not just a coin that does nothing. So now, with that being said, guys, we strongly believe that this project is here to stay. Maybe it's actually still in the very early stages now at 18 million. It can easily 10x from this point forward. So I hope that you guys are excited about this coin as much as we are, because we do believe strongly in this coin that is going to go absolutely parabolic, and time will tell. Time will tell us. We're going to come back one day and we're going to see the price through the moon and through the roof. So now it's your turn to make a decision for yourself what you're going to do, because whatever we tell you is not financial advice. So guys, remember, we are not financial advisors. This video is made for entertainment and educational purposes only, and you should always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing into any asset class. And with that being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.